So this is a review of the WYBOT pool cleaner. Now this is the C2 more advanced model. So we're doing a quick unboxing. As you can see here, that is a filter that I just took out. They have here a quick start guide if you're just ready to kind of get it in the pool and get it working. Obviously it comes with your manual for the device itself. Also inside the box, they give you a hook for your extension pole, which aids in hooking the handle of the WYBOT and pulling it out of the pool once it's done cleaning. In this box you have your charging device, which plugs into a standard 110 outlet and then connects to the WYBOT itself. Here is part of a flotation system if needed. There have been situations in the past where some machines have had trouble getting back up to the surface, so they give you flotation materials to aid in it. We've never had to use them, but just letting you know that they do give it to you in your package. This is the WYBOT itself on display. As you can see, it's brand new out of the box. We haven't even put it in the pool yet. Looks pretty similar to the previous model, the C1, but this one has a lot more features and functions. Very sleek design, as you can see. Has the tank looking wheels on it. The top of where the water shoots out. You have an AI generated eye or camera in the front that helps detect dirt on the bottom of the pool. We'll get into that a little bit later. There's your handle, which you will use to grab it and set it down in the pool or pull it up out of the pool. Down here is where the debris gets sucked up into the device, and those are your pads that actually clean and scrape the algae and scum off the side of your walls. Again, it's pretty durable. This is your power button. Sir, it's a multi-function power button. And over here on this side is where you attach your adapter. You notice it has a watertight screw cap over the top of it. One thing I will tell you in advance, be sure to keep this cap on when you set it in the pool. You don't want to forget that. Be very easy to unplug it from the charging system and then set it right down in the pool without putting that on. You don't want water to get in there. So inside this little compartment on the back is your basket. This is a little bit of a new and improved basket. One thing I like about this is once the suction pressure sucks the device, the debris up into it, you can see this little rubber flap keeps the debris from falling back into the pool. Look, you can still see the little silica gels inside. You can tell it's brand new out of the box. And like I said, here you go. Very sturdy. It's a good looking machine. All right, so as you can see, we're getting ready to set the WYBOT in the pool. A couple things I want to note before we do so. This little cap right here, this is where we had it charging. Make sure you put the cap on tight because you do not want water getting down into your components. Right here is your power button. This also has a phone app, and it has a lot of other features that we're going to go over in a little bit while we're watching the machine do its thing. It's several different settings, and the setting that we have it set on is to make this thing go dirt hunting. And like I said, as it's cleaning, I'm going to speed up the camera as it's doing its thing, but I'm going to go over some of those features. So let's watch it do its thing. As you can see, it slowly brings on water and it sinks to the bottom. And it'll start doing its thing here shortly. All right, you can see the water bubbles coming up. It's getting ready to do its thing. And it is off. So right now this thing is in dirt hunting mode, which is one of the settings that we have it on. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit and allow you to watch it kind of do its thing in real time and try to get the whole pool here. And it has an eye on the front of it that aids it in doing that dirt hunting as well as some of the other features, which I want to go into. So while the WYBOT is doing its thing, I wanted to touch on a few of its features while it's cleaning. So basically this has industry first AI debris detective. It basically features a smart camera with AI powered debris detection. It also delivers 20 times faster cleaning when it's in dirt hunting mode, which is the floor of the pool only. It has targeted cleaning, which prioritizes high debris zones, leaves, algae, and dirt. Also has full coverage cleaning, where it cleans the walls, the floor, and even the water line up to 2,152 square feet with about 180-minute runtime. But that's when it's in economic mode. It has multi-surface compatibility. It works whether it's on tiles, concrete, vinyl, or fiberglass. Also has dual layer ultrafine filtration. It has a 180 large particle cartridge and a 10 ultrafine filter to capture everything from leaves to fine dust. And you'll see an example of that at the end of this video. It has 8 different cleaning modes plus 6 different paths. You can choose from Vision, which is full, floor, and wall, waterline only, wall, then floor, turbo, echo modes, and it customized routes through the WYBOT app that you can put on your phone. It also has app scheduling where you can schedule up to 4 cleanings a week for hands-free maintenance. It has an auto parking system which automatically returns to the pool edge for easy retrieval. Wouldn't work in our case because we have an in-ground pool, but if you have a standard, we have an above ground pool, but if you have a standard in-ground pool, this would work for you, the auto parking system. It also delivers a powerful, long-lasting performance while preventing cord tangles. This is because it's got a brushless motor and a cordless design. Now, as you can see here in the video, this thing does pretty good. As like I said a moment ago, it is in dirt hunting mode. So what it's doing, that little camera on the front is looking out, trying to help it identify where the dirt is on the bottom, the obvious particles. And right here, I just wanted to give you an example of what it looks like when it's cleaning the walls, how it actually climbs up the walls of your pool. And it sits there, and those wheels that you saw in the unboxing that are on the front of it, they literally scrape the side of the pool if you watch it here as it gets up towards the top. See those 2 wheels on the top of it spinning and scraping? So if you have algae and scuzz on the edge of your pool, it scrapes all that stuff off. And not only is it scraping it, but it's sucking it into the bottom and it's filtering it all. All right, we just took the WYBOT out of the pool after it's done cleaning. Lift this up. There's 2 filters in here. This is your main filter. As you can see here, this is pretty much everything you pulled out of the pool, minus these silica gels, which are what they gave you because the unit's brand new, as you can see. But anyway, look at all the debris that it picked up. And then there's a secondary filter, which gets the more minute particles that are in the pool, preventing it from going back into the pool. This actually comes with your WYBOT. So the way this works, when the machine is filtering, it passes through this basket first, traps the big debris, and then this here is your secondary filter. As you can see all the dirt, it catches all the smaller particles, and if you look at how clean this side is, it doesn't allow it to enter back into your pool. So all you got to do at this point is take both your filters, rinse them off, put them back in place, and you are ready to go for your next cleaning. A little bit, not much. that. And all the grease being rinsed off of that thing. Big difference.